What's up everybody, Bo is here. This van is ready. This van is ready to go. It's a 4x4. We updated inside. So it used to be a collapsible bunk bed. Now it's a fixed bunk bed. And we changed all the cabinets faces and the walls. And then also we changed the color of the ceiling. It was kind of darker gray. Now it's white. It's not like pure white, but it's white. It's soft white, and it looks great. It looks great. Let's take a look. Let's see what we got here. Look at this, you guys. Isn't that looking great? Bunk bed with the ladder to go up. The top one is 67 inches and the bottom one is 72 inches. So it's a little bit narrow on the top one. It's perfect for kids. And down here we got 24 inches width by 72. So I mean, it's not a big bed, but it's good for you know, overnight camping stuff, weekend stuff. We don't want to take too much space to decide to you know, narrow this down. So we still have a 22-inch walkway here. You can throw any big items in here, kayak or inflatable boat and such. Again, back here it's the same. We got the Excel tankless vent-free water heater and the external shower here with the quick connect. And this is a sensor light, just in case you you know, you need to fill up water or any activity that you need light back here. It's also you can turn it on, off, or it's a sensor. As soon as you open the door, it lights up for you. So that's what we got back here. And also a 24 by 32 inch shower with the retractable knotless retractable door. Same thing as all my other builds. And the water mixer, the thermostatic water mixer. Let's take a quick look inside it. That mixer is very popular. It's very easy to use. Just, you know, turn it on, set your temperature, and it regulates your water temperature for you. Okay, looking forward to the front here, we got our galley on this side, and then the top drawer, and we got the isotherm refrigerator down here. Okay, this is a 4.3 cubic feet, and then the stainless steel Panasonic microwave down here, and then there you go, storage, more storage on this side here. Okay, our sink is a 13 by 14, 9 inches deep with the regular sink faucet there. Got a little backsplash down here. Let's take a look. Look at our beautiful cabinets, you guys. I put the stainless steel handles that go super well also with this color of the cabinet. Okay, our walls, these are new walls. Okay, both sides with the 8-inch shiplap. Okay, and this is a kind of a cool, I forgot about the name of the color of that white, but it's, you know, it's not super bright. Our convertible bed here, yeah, it is a little bit high because we want the water tank down here. It's a 33 gallons water tank, and it's standing up this way. We don't want to put it flat sideways because it might take more space down here. So yeah, a little bit high, but it's fine. Very soft, and this is a convertible. Okay, just I have it on a 500-pound slide, and you can just slide it out, and then Okay, unfolds into a bed, and then you can fold it back. Okay, then just lock it in place. So yeah, it can be a bench or a bed than this one. Yeah, very comfortable. Got even cup holders here. Okay, so 33 gallons fresh water tank, 20 gallons gray water, and also it's got an electric ball valve. You can release the water from the driver seat. Okay, max air fan on this side. Okay, this is the 7500K model. Up here we have a 12 volt Dometic RTX 2000 AC unit. Okay, this van has a 4 battle-borne lithium batteries, and also the 3000 watt Victron energy, 30 amp solar MPPT charger, and this also a 30 amp Victron DC to DC charger on this van. So it's plenty of room. It's a crew van. It's got the bench seat here, and the 2 front seat also swivel around. Take a quick look at that. There on the overhead storage, we got 2 speakers on, one on each side there, 6x9 Kenwood, and the TV there. Okay, the 2 seats swivel around, and we have the Webasto heater, diesel heater. Our control panel here with all the light switches, and the outlet for the TV there. And on the cabinet on the left side there, we have the Victron on off switch there. Okay, the remote for the inverter, and the light switches for the roof, and also the under cabinets light switch there. And that's it. That was a quick take a look at this van, everybody. I hope you like it. I really like the way it looks. Beautiful, isn't it? Okay, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Please don't forget subscribe, please share. This is Bo. See you soon. Bye bye.